What we are going to do is add functions. Now I have already added 3 functions. I'll show you again how to add it and how to refer these functions inside of your prompt. The first function that you can see is an end call function, right? So you click on add, click on end call, and just save it, right? And this function will be added. Just copy this function right here, and wherever inside the script there is a context of hanging up the phone, you have to mention this function right there. So for example, here in the last part, the AI agent says it confirms the appointment, and it says like you will receive an confirmation email shortly, and thanks for calling, and we can't wait to help you improve, right? And then we are basically mentioning the end call functions. So the way to refer any function is run the function name and then function. So run end call function like this right here. The second function we are going to add is going to be transfer call. So the context here is whenever someone is angry or they request that they want to talk to a human, we don't want to argue with them. We just want to transfer the call. So again, the way you add transfer call is very simple. You click on add, click on transfer call, and here you like give a description. This is completely optional. Is the description is just for context. You give it a transfer number, like whoever is in the office, a human, right? Their number. Now you can choose cold transfer or warm transfer. The difference is in cold transfer, the AI, when it transfers the call, it's going to give a brief summary to the next person. Sorry, in warm transfer, it will give a brief summary to the next person, but in cold transfer, it will not give any summary. I just keep it to cold transfer for simplicity. Now, just choose phone number if you are using a phone number from inside of Retell or some other. Then click on save, right? Again, the way of mentioning this function will be by giving context. So for example, like this, you can add something inside the prompt to call the transfer function, right? So we'll add intent to talk to a human, right? Or something like this. And then what you can basically do is copy this right here. So when user is angry or requests a human agent, transfer the call to a human, and inside bracket just run transfer call function. So whenever the AI detects that the user has an intention to talk to a human, it will simply transfer the call by running the transfer call function, right? Now the third function is send email, and we will set up send email function, right? Now again, you will go to your GoHighLevel account, click on automations, and create a new workflow. Don't use this same workflow, create a new workflow like this right here. Let's just change the name. Let's name this one post call, right? And this one send email function, or you can just name it function. So we created one more workflow. Again, the trigger is going to be inbound webhook right here. Copy this URL, go back to your Retell agent, and now we are going to create a function to send an email. So click on add, click on custom function, and something like this will open up. Name it as send email. Inside the URL, where it says your URL, paste the URL that we just copied from here. And I'm repeating once again, the workflow to receive post call data and the workflow to receive function detail are going to be separate. So paste it right here. Now you can choose if you want the AI to say something when it is running the function, but I like to run the functions silently. So I just uncheck the boxes and yeah, click on save or update, whatever it gives you.